You made me feel like I was talking to my friend, and indeed I got a friend in GetSkilld. Earlier I was not very fluent as I'm talking right now. Thank you Neha ma'am for this great experience. She paid a close attention to my speaking. A huge thumbs up to GetSkilld. Hi everyone, I'm Mamta. I'm from Northeast Assam. Today I'm going to share my experience with GetSkilld. So starting with my relationship manager, my RM, Afnan. She attended me very calmly. As I was new to GetSkilld, I had lots of doubt and lots of questions in my head. I put forward all my questions to her and she answered each question precisely. So thank you for that, Afnan. And talking about the content was fully customized according to my need. I still remember in the orientation class, Afnan asked me what are my needs, what do I want to improve. I shared everything to her, every little details, and she paid attention to all of them and made my course according to my need. And one more thing, she said in my orientation session that welcome to my family, and literally it felt like a family to me. Everything was so convenient. I had a conversation with my trainer. We had a friendly conversation, and also with Afnan. It was so convenient and friendly environment for me. So in the middle, after my class has already started, I wanted to make some changes in my course. So I talked about it with Afnan. She listened to me and she altered that little thing in my course. So, and it made my whole experience more smooth. So thank you for that alteration as well. Now, talking about my trainer, Neha Marwa ma'am. She is not only an amazing trainer but also a great listener and an amazing friend. She paid a close attention to my speaking, the way I talk and everything, and she she acknowledged some point that I can improve, and that made my communication skill more effective. So thank you Neha ma'am for this great experience. You listened to me properly and you made me feel like I was talking to my friend, and indeed I got a friend in GetSkilld. So thank you for that experience. Everything like if I wanted to change the timing of the classes, or if I wanted to learn something new which is outside my curriculum and everything, I told everything to my trainer directly, and she helped me learn more, which is a little out of my course. So thank you so much for that as well, ma'am. Yeah, lastly about my improvement. Yes, indeed, GetSkilld has improved my communication a lot. Earlier I was not very fluent as I'm talking right now, but after this session I felt like I'm speaking more fluently, slowly, and my vocabulary has also improved. Now I'm using more of advanced vocabulary in my conversation with my friends. So thank you for this whole experience, GetSkilld. A huge thumbs up to GetSkilld. You should also try with GetSkilld. It was an amazing experience. So thank you to the whole team and GetSkilld.